This week in phonics, we will be learning about the FLoSZ rule. This is another one of our short vowel rules. The rule is immediately after a short vowel at the end of a one-syllable word, if it ends with F, L, S, or Z, double it, yippee. We will be doing the FLoSZ as we say this rule. I encourage you to get your students to do the same. But the FLoSZ rule is as simple as that. If a word ends with F, L, S, or Z, and it is a short vowel sound, we're going to double it, like doll. So, for example, we have the students will say the word jazz. We'll have them tap it, J, A, Z. What do they hear at the end? They hear a Z. So, according to our FLoSZ rule, we're going to double it. So, we're going to spell it J-A-Z-Z. So, we'll say the word, we'll have them tap it, listen out for that final sound. If it is an F, L, S, or Z making that sound, we're going to see, is it a short vowel sound? Is it a, or I? And if it is, then we're going to double it to spell it. This is a spelling rule that we are working on. So these are just examples of words that you can work with them on. Some of them are nonsense, like gaff. But students should be able to not only read these words, but also spell them because of the rule. Again, the rule is immediately after a short vowel, at the end of a one-syllable word. If it ends with F, L, S, or Z, double it. Yippee! I hope that is helpful in explaining our rule, and thank you so much for not only working with your students on this rule, but also remembering those red words are so important to practice.